Hey, how did he wind up in handcuffs, love? How did he wind up in handcuffs?
Sorry, we just left the strip club.
Which strip club?
What's good? Back in with another reaction for this video. Fake cop handcuffs drunk man gets arrested himself by Atlanta police officers. You know what I'm saying? Can't be going out there being a fraud. Don't be someone you're not. You know what I'm saying? Just be yourself. Let's get into this video. Let's check it out.
What's going on, man?
Somebody just hit us at the red light. This my husband.
Is he okay? Sir? He in handcuffs? Why is he in handcuffs?
I can't answer no questions, sir.
Hold on 1 second. Leave him there. 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 Radio, can I get a photo of my location? I have a black male with lacerations to his face.
What?
Get the fuck out of there is what happened. Is what I would bet money on.
Who took the handcuffs off?
I don't know. Yo, whose car is this?
Huh?
Whose car is this? Hey, how did he wind up in handcuffs, love? How did he wind up in handcuffs?
Sorry, we just left the strip club.
Which strip club?
Peaches.
Peaches? Okay. I got you. Over on RDA?
Yeah.
I got you. Okay. Did you guys get into it with security over there?
Sir, I don't know.
Okay.
All I know is that's my husband.
Gotcha. Say less.
I'm going to grab your
Appreciate it.
I don't know.
Okay, that's fine. You're good.
What?
What's this?
That's crazy. Who's the
1306 radio. Fuck around like you using the car? What do you work for?
Homeland.
Okay. Did y'all have some shit up here a little bit ago? Male and female get into it with anybody?
Yeah. Sure
Left
did.
in a pair of cuffs?
Yeah.
Alright, what was the story with that?
They were just drunk.
Alright.
And
Whose handcuffs is he wearing?
Bro, this guy's not a cop, bro. You could tell he's a goofy. For one, this dude has skinny shoulders. You know what I'm saying? Shoulders are like, they're not, you know what I'm saying? He has a big old dome. No neck. He is not Homeland, bro. What the heck? That's crazy.
mine. He took off. He jumped in the SUV and took off.
Yeah.
Bro, you could tell this guy's a fraud, bro. This guy would have been chasing them. What are you talking about? Cops don't stop. They just keep going and call backup, and they're not going to go back to the freaking, you know what I'm saying? That's crazy.
I mean, it's Metro to Fair, so like almost down to 166.
Mm-hmm.
Wiped out real hard.
Man.
Hurt some people, hurt themselves.
Oh.
That's crazy.
All right. Here's what I want you to do for me, okay? Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take your firearm off your side. Okay?
Okay.
You got just syrup out here.
Yeah.
All right.
That's how you know he is not an actual Homeland Security agent, because he wouldn't let your gun get took. He would have been like, whoa, 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 whoa. Start pulling out his phone and calling superiors and all that. That's how you know this guy's a fraud. And this the way, dude, listen to the way he answered, like a goofy ass, okay. I think his strap get taken away from him.
Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take your firearm off your side. Okay?
Okay.
You got
Because he knows he's
just syrup out
caught.
here.
He knows he's caught. That's why he said it like that.
Yeah.
All right. Place that in my car. I'm gonna detain you for right now.
Okay.
All right.
What?
Right now, you are not under arrest. You're just being detained for the further investigation here.
That's crazy.
Do you have a key to your handcuffs?
In the car.
Keys in the car?
Yeah.
Who's the radio through?
eBay. Nobody.
Okay. It's not a Homeland radio?
No.
Okay.
And he's snitching on himself.
Just for a minute. Okay. I'm gonna have you have a seat in my car for a minute, okay?
Okay.
But never registered it. The The license plate is off of a Bluebird school bus from Tucker, Georgia. That's how he got a GV tag.
Radio check this thing.
That's crazy.
That's PA.
Damn, it's bearing the license plate of a school.
Is it just a scanner? The jacket in the back seat is just a regular old raincoat. It doesn't say police on it.
Another thing too, they don't run around in Crown Vics no more. They're using like Chargers, Challengers, Ford Explorers. You know what I'm saying? This guy's a goofy ass.
Got it. Beautiful. Put this in the bag with all of the other evidence, because that's going to be evidence also.
You don't have blank. So I guess it's not.
Oh, they have what? Bruh, 49 years old, dog. You a grandpa already. What are you doing? That's what the. It's confirmed that Mr. Jackson not. Well, no. He's all sad.
So
Like an idiot. Retarded. Imagine getting locked up, getting booked because you fake to be a cop. Just go join, bro. They'll get you. Anyways, let me know what you think about this one in the comments below. Like, comment, and subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Catch you on the next one. We out.